Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Ford Focus LX Sedan, stock reference number 5408. This shape runs from the 11th month 2008 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand fog light with surround. Left guard has one small dent, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left bonnet has 2 large dents, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 5 small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 4 small dents, right front door has 3 small dents, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.